Yo, what's going on YouTube? Nassif here from Click, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the BlackBerry KEYone. Now I picked this up on Amazon. I think they had it on sale for like 600 and something bucks. I did end up going again with the Amazon warehouse deal, just like the Passport, and turns out that's the best way to go apparently, because this phone came brand new. I got like 150 bucks off, something like that, for just going with the warehouse deal. And I think what happened was somebody bought the phone, they returned it, didn't want to use it, and I guess Amazon can't just repackage it and sell it as new. It has to go under the warehouse deal. So this phone, guys, awesome pickup for like 550 bucks, something like that. Insane phone. Obviously this is not obviously the first time I'm unboxing it. Because I've been absent from the channel for so long, I already unboxed it, been using it. So I'm just going to show you guys a quick unboxing experience, I guess, and then we'll get into impressions, and then I'll do a full review later on down the line. So the box itself, we have a pretty heavy ass box here. So it says BlackBerry KEYone on the front. We have the BlackBerry logo kind of all the way in the back, textured in. We have the KEYone on the front here, the foam, secure smartphone. On the bottom here, we have just sign the eye information, model number, blah, blah, blah. Nothing too important, nothing too crazy. On the sides, nothing there. On the top, nothing, just some tape. Bottom, we already covered. And then on the back side here, we have some of the, I guess, important specs. So we have 4G LTE Cat 6. It's got a 4.5-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 1620 by 1080, giving you 433 PPI. CPU, it's got a Snapdragon 625, so would have been awesome if it had an 835, but that probably increased the price of the phone like crazy. But again, I'll get into that in the full review. We have the camera specs. We have 32 gigs of memory, 3 gigs of RAM, and a massive 3500 milliamp hour battery. It was running Android 7.1 out of the box. It got updated to 7.1.1, and Android Oreo is on the way apparently. So first thing first, I want to mention there is a BlackBerry KEYone Black Edition. Now there's two versions of the Black Edition. There's one where it's just the phone is black, same specs, and then the one that Im got, which ended up getting returned, which again I'll talk about in the full review, has 64 gigs of storage and 4 gigabytes of RAM. So that's awesome there. So unboxing wise, you got to slide the box out of the sleeve here. Very Samsung-like, if I do say. We have BlackBerry KEYone kind of engraved on the front here. Pretty awesome. We slide this up. The phone is sitting here. Now obviously my SIM card's actually in this one, as you guys can see. Phone turned on, so we'll put that aside for now. I'll turn that off. We have a plastic tray that the phone sits in. In here we have, again, very Samsung Apple-esque. We have a little package here. Has our books and shit. We have the SIM tool, ejection tool thing in here. I won't open it up because nobody wants to read those. We'll put that there. And then inside the box, guys, again, now this may differ depending on if you get the warehouse deal or not. I don't know if these come packaged up like this in the box, but it is what it is. We have the wall wart for, I'm assuming will support Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 because this phone does support it. We have the USB-C cable, which I'm actually going to keep out because I need a USB-C cable. I've broken the rest of my other ones. Then we have earbuds here, which I believe come with those angel tips. Yeah, no. So they're just regular earbuds. They have the different size tips for your ear. I'll put the wire back in here for now. I'll take it out later. So that's pretty much the unboxing experience. Nothing like crazy, nothing too hardcore, but definitely nice, especially coming from BlackBerry. Just the position that they're in right now, they need to have nice unboxing experiences, and their phones need to be killing it. So we'll slide the box back in there, close that up. All right, so phone, guys, we'll get into the phone. I guess I'll unlock it. We'll go do a kind of a hardware walk around. So obviously on the front, you have your 4.5 inch. You have your 4.5 inch display here, IPS LCD. You have your capacitive buttons here. Now, one thing I will mention off the start is I wish that these buttons were on screen and then they just kind of extended the display just a tiny bit. Would have made for a better, I guess, UI or user experience. But it is what it is. You have the keyboard on the front, which I won't talk about. I'll do that in the full review. We have your fingerprint sensor baked into the space bar. We got like either plastic or glass. I think this is a piece of plastic here, just on the bottom. Shiny finish, it is what it is. Obviously the curved edge display is awesome. Very, very minimal curve here, but enough to make the phone feel premium. We have the camera up front, the speaker for your calls. I believe that's a microphone. Yeah, that's a microphone. and then ambient light sensor and whatnot. Your sensors are baked into this one here. Along the side here, you have your power button. On the bottom, you have a microphone, a USB-C port, and your speaker. This is not dual speakers, guys. Not like the Passport, so don't get too excited, but it is what it is. We have the convenience key here, which is better than Bixby key for sure, but it does have its annoyances and nuances here. We have the volume up and down here. We have the SIM tray there, which also has the micro SD card slot. I'm not sure how far you can expand it, but I'm assuming minimum would be 256 gigs at least. So there's that on the back. We have the massive camera ring and the camera there. Dual LED flash with the BlackBerry logo, and then this kind of dotted rubberized texture back, which curves actually into the aluminum. So guys, in hand, this phone feels very, very nice mix between rugged and premium. So I've been rocking this phone naked, no case, no screen protector, nothing, and it's been fantastic. It's just an awesome phone all around. Not really much I would change. If anything, go with a glass back, like make a special edition with a glass back or something. That would be awesome. But maybe that's for the Key 2 or KEYone 2 or whatever they're going to call it for 2018. Up at the top here, again, microphone and headphone jack, which sounds awesome, by the way. I think this is a piece of plastic here, I guess, for your radios and antennas and whatnot. So it is what it is. But guys, overall, this phone feels super durable, super rugged in hand. It's an awesome in-hand feel. The keyboard is awesome as well. It feels awesome. Out of the box, it took a little bit getting used to. Keys were a little bit tough, but as I used the phone, it kind of worked itself in. But again, all this stuff will be talked about in the full review. I just wanted this to be, I guess, a short unboxing video of, and I guess, impressions of the BlackBerry KEYone. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, feel free to drop a like on it, and look out on the channel for some KEYone versus Priv videos, and KEYone versus Passport videos, and Priv versus Passport, all that good stuff on the channel coming shortly. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace.